Welcome back to Baby Does Business. I'm Lil CEO, and today we're taking baby step number 1 in your business journey. We're going to figure out the perfect business for you. Not your friend, not your neighbor, you. Because choosing the right business from the start is what separates the winners from the people who quit too early. Let's go. Part 1. Choosing the right business. Personality, skills, lifestyle, income. First question. What kind of life do you want? Not just a business, a life. Do you want flexible schedule? High income? Low stress? Work from home? Work with people? Work alone? Your business must match your lifestyle goals or you'll hate it, even if it makes money. Next question. What are you naturally good at? Your skills, talents, experience, and even your past jobs all matter. Business gets 10 times easier when you play to your strengths. And one more. How much money do you want to make? Some businesses make $60,000 a year. Some make $600,000 a year. Some make $6 million a year. Your income goals will help you narrow down the right industry. Part 2. Research competitors and estimate real income. Now that you know what you want, it's time to see if your business idea actually makes money. Here's how you research the real numbers. Step 1. Look up competitors in your area. Search things like pressure washing near me, tax preparer near me, mobile notary near me, landscaping companies near me. Write down what they charge, how busy they look, how many employees they have, services they offer. Their Google reviews reveals strengths plus weaknesses. Step 2. Estimate their revenue. Use simple math. Price times customers per day times days per month. Boom, you get a realistic ballpark. Step 3. Estimate their profit. Ask, what does this business spend money on? Supplies, equipment, labor, gas, rent, software, advertising. Profit equals money left after all bills. This is the number that matters. Part 3. Picking your niche and ideal customer, client avatar. Let's tighten it up, because broad businesses struggle. Focused businesses win. Your niche is the specific slice of the market you will dominate. Ask yourself, who buys my service? Why do they buy it? What problem do I solve for them? How can I solve it better than everyone else? Examples. Not landscaping, high-end weekly maintenance for busy professionals. Not cleaning, move-out cleaning for property managers. Not marketing, short-form video content for realtors. The richer the niche, the faster the business grows. Part 4. Using BizBuySell to see real business numbers. Here's my favorite trick, and very few beginners ever do this. Go to bizbuysell.com. Search businesses similar to your idea. Why? Because BizBuySell shows revenue, expenses, net profit, cash flow, how long they've been in business, what makes them valuable. This is the best way to see what real businesses sell for, and what the numbers look like behind the scenes. Even if you're not buying a business yet, you're learning how profitable your idea is in the real world. Part 5. Baby Step Action Plan. End of episode. Alright, future CEO, here's your baby step homework. 1. Make a list of 5 businesses that match your lifestyle plus skills. 2. Research 3 to 5 competitors for each one. 3. Write down prices, services, reviews, and estimated revenue. 4. Visit BizBuySell and study real business listings. 5. Pick one niche to focus on. Next episode, we'll take baby step number 2, how to research a business name, check trademark, find the domain, and secure social media. Make sure to subscribe. Lil CEO is building your business one baby step at a time.